Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the final flip through of my guest design team project for Banya at SS Digital Studio. I will link all of her information in the description box below. I used two of her kits, her gorgeous Botanical journal kit, which has a ton of pages and they are all gorgeous. And then also her Botanical loaded pocket tags kit, which if you saw a few videos ago, I did sort of a process video on how I put those together. And I will, like I said, everything will be linked in the description box below. And this journal will be available in my Etsy shop when this video is uploaded. So if you want to check that out, the link to my Etsy shop is also in the description box, but I will also link it up in the left corner of your screen at the end of the video. All right, let's get to the details. I love this journal so much. This was my first mixed media cover and I am now addicted. Thank you, Debbie. I love it. And I was so nervous about it. But I think it turned out absolutely fabulous. And I hope you like it too. It is, the cover is a Reader's Digest, a vintage, I'm sorry. It's not a Reader's Digest. What am I talking about? It is from a vintage copy of Emily Dickinson poetry. I think it's from the 80s. Anyway, I loved the pinks and the mauve and, you know, the gorgeous colors of the cover. And I wanted to make sure that I could fit everything inside without having to, you know, cut and create a new spine and all of that jazz. And I succeeded. So it's more of a writing journal than what I normally create, my monstrosities. But it, you know, it has some room. You could add some things if you wanted to. It is 8.5 inches by 5 5/8 inches approximately. The spine is approximately 1 1/4 inches. And you can see the lovely mixed media cover here. We've got metal corners, front and back. The closure is sari silk. There's an eyelet holding it, and then if you just press down and lift the bow, you don't have to untie anything. I like that kind of closure if I can make it work, if it's not such a large journal. Has a Tim Holtz hitch post here, and then let's see, there are 2 signatures. There are 120 pages front and back. I did sort of a hidden spine. That's what I'm calling it. That might not be the right terminology, but that's what I'm going with. I've got some vintage lace at the top and bottom. This is just some canvas duck cloth here. And then right inside on the front cover, this is definitely vintage. It might be antique. I'm not 100% sure of the date of it, but it is a poem by Longfellow, The Psalm of Life. And I just thought it was beautiful and went with the colors of the journal. So I've actually glued this in, but you can, obviously you can still open it up and read the poem here. I just think this is a fabulous piece of old ephemera. I just love it, the aged pages and all of that. So it's glued right in. And then here we go. Let's get started. So I have some vintage lace sewn on the front page of each signature and Banya's gorgeous digitals. And then if you saw my kit sort of share video, I printed everything on either parchment paper or sort of like linen paper, that kind of thing. So like I said, it has lots of writing space and it does lay flat, which is nice. That doesn't usually happen when I make journals. So you have this pocket here. I did a video on this. These are 2, I used 2 of the pages from the kit that were like vertical orientation, and I turned them into pockets and tags. You could write on this if you want to. You could decorate it further. I just added some vintage lace at the top and sewed around the whole thing. And then you've got a gorgeous piece this is actually from the Loaded Pocket Tags kit, and then a vintage doily here. And then the gorgeous, oh, I love these pages. Some more vintage doily. And I don't usually do this, but I sort of alternated how I folded the pages. I sort of like this, especially when it's, you know, going to be a writing journal. I like how this looks. So I ended up, I know when I did the video for the Loaded Pocket Tags, I said I was probably just going to clip them in, but I decided to go ahead and make them tuck spots for some of the other tags in the kit. And I have used the same peeled paint distress ink to color my whole reinforcers as I use throughout on the ephemera and the pages. And then you've got all your little bits in here from the Loaded Pocket Tags. And my dyed seam binding. I love the feel of all of this paper. I know I'm probably a weirdo, but I love how it feels. And then another one of the pocket tags and a gorgeous tag behind there and all your little bits and pieces. And then this is one of the envelopes from the kit, and I have just clipped that on with a bulldog clip. And inside are some gorgeous little tags here. And everything is printed on the back with background pages from Banya's kit. Love this page. Oh, in the center. I love that so much. I love how that looks. And then I just added some little pearl beads to the middle signature string. It is a 5-hole pamphlet stitch with waxed thread. Lots of journaling space. This would make a great Christmas gift if you need a Christmas gift for somebody you know who loves to write, or, you know, a gift for yourself. That's always fun too. And then here is that pocket I made with that gorgeous vinyl from My Punk Broderie. I have a video on that as well if you want to check that out. And then there's a tag from the kit in there. Another one of the Loaded Pocket Tags. And that's the end of the first signature. And then pretty much sort of the same. I've got the lace on the edge here. Another one of the tags and pockets here. And I put them up high on the page so that the lace would stick out the top, because I like all that floofiness. Whoops. I keep running my hands through that and pulling that out. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love these kits so much. Another envelope here with more of these gorgeous little itty bitty tags inside. Well, they're not itty bitty, but they're little. And I love the center of this one as well. Oh, the blue irises, so pretty. And they make me think of Dee Dee. Another one of the vinyl pockets and a tag from the kit. I think this is the one I made in the video. I love this. So you've got some, you know, lined spaces here. It's just some blank pages. And then that is the end. And then I just added my little stamp here, handcrafted by Emily on a little piece of flour sack, I think, flour sackcloth. And it's just glue sticked on there. So you could probably pull it off if you didn't want to leave it there, but that way you know who made it. And then, yeah, that's it, guys. I want to say a huge thank you to Banya for letting me play with these kits. This was so much fun. They are just beautiful. Your designs are fabulous. And I had a bunch of fun playing with them. And actually, Banya has asked me if I would do another journal with 2 of her Christmas kits. So I wasn't planning on doing another Christmas journal, but I am now because her digitals are just fabulous. So I want to go ahead and do that. So that'll be coming up. If you haven't already, I am having a giveaway in my Facebook group because we have surpassed 200 members. Yay! And that is going on until Wednesday, the 25th, I think it is, of this month, November. And if you just go over, and you can find the link in the description box to my Facebook group. And if you join the group, you'll see the post for the giveaway right at the top. It should be pinned right at the top of the page. And I would love it if you would come over and join in. I'm giving away a huge bag full of vintage goodies, paper goodies and things of that nature. So yeah, all right, guys, head over to my Etsy shop if you're interested in this journal, and I will see you guys soon. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.